Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the configuration that is available for your auto nesting feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back into the program here. Now, when it comes to the actual configuration for the nesting, this is what we're going to be using for most of our advanced features available, or advanced options for the actual feature. There is two ways we can go about it. First way, which is probably, how can I say, the most convenient because you'll be using your nesting. And that is if we open our nesting tool, on the top right here, you should notice we have a little option called configuration. Now, if we click this, it will pop up some more advanced configurations that we can actually adjust, which we also will be covering in another video. Now, another thing we can do, or another way we can go to it, is we can go straight from our main or primary toolbar on top. Then we go to this configuration icon, but keep in mind with this one you will have to navigate to the actual nesting tab, which if I zoom in here, let me just fix my zoom quick, we can see here we've got nesting and manual. So it's the second tab. If we click on this, we are at the same location. So this is a great way to adjust this if you need to, without busy being with your nesting. Otherwise, if you open your nesting, like I said, just a nice configuration top right, and then you can set all your relevant information or advanced settings for the nesting. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the nesting configuration. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.